I am literally light jogging because I saw some peacock bass on the other side. Perfect. Oh, he might eat it again. Got him. Really light. The other one is on it too. Oh, I got him. I don't know what's going on. Oh, got him. Oh my gosh, on the little rod. He is taking me for a run. Micro peacock bass on the ultralight. Oh, look at that, right in the top. All right, everybody, we are at our first park. We are gonna see what we can do here. It is a beautiful day, a little warm out, but we're gonna run around. Got some rods rigged up, got a micro rod and my normal rod, and see if we can get some peacock bass in here. Don't know if there'll be any snakehead in here, but we'll try some micro fishing, some normal fishing, and see what we can get today just to bend a rod. We are again trying to fish some parks on the southeast coast, Florida. And I'm just using Google Maps again to find some parks that are in this area where I'm spending some time, and see what we can catch while we're here. It's just a great way to find some waters to fish is by using Google Maps. So let's get to it. Guys, we are at a new spot, new park. I saw a big old blow up over there. I do see a little peacock, so we're gonna change it up. Guys, it's a numbers game. It's not all about size. Toot, 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 toot. Toot, toot, toot. Ooh, little guy was after it. See if I can get in there again. Oh, he ate it, guys. He ate it. Throw him a little Rapala. Hoping this little peacock in here wants it. There's two peacock right here, guys. Come on now. Something is just chasing bait down here, guys. So we're gonna make a quick move down. See if we can get on it. I mean, guys, look at this park. Awesome. Oh, guys, there's a chaser. There was a chaser. Come on, peacock. Oh, oh, guys, oh no. Guys, my drag's way too loose. Oh, I lost a big fish. That's so disappointing. Come on, buddy. Oh, a big fish ate it. Oh my God. Come on back. I gotta fucking hammer him on this hook set, I think. Oh, he ate it again. Come on now, come on. Guys, come on. There's a big bass in here, big peacock, I think. Oh, he ate it twice. Oh, fucking mono, I hate it. There's so much stretch in this line. Oh my gosh, I think there's a handful of fish. I just got hit twice. Oh, that's two good strikes. I might have to switch to my larger twitch bait on my bigger rod so I can stick it to them. I thought this would be fine, especially with this type of a treble hook bait. I thought I'd be able to just whip it on them, but there's so much reaction in this rod that it's not enough pressure to bury these hooks, I guess. Man, finding myself in another beautiful park. I missed a fish. What am I doing? Wasting chances, Ramsey. Oh, let's keep moving. I think that was a freaking tarpon. Guess you can fish here. see a huge carp. Guys, right in here. Oh, okay. This is gonna be the perfect bait. I just need to tie it on. I've been seeing some fish move up and down, feeding on these minnows, and I think this bait is gonna replicate it just perfectly. Sometimes you just gotta be realistic about what you're trying to catch, guys. So today, I'm trying to catch just about anything, even a little peacock bass. And I think this little super realistic Zman micro-finesse is gonna be the trick. Guys, it looks just like these minnows. Looks just like them. Oh, got him. On the micro. Beautiful, beautiful little guy. Look at that, guys. Got a little bump and everything. Males get that little bump. Ate that little Z-Man micro-finesse soft bait, but beautiful little fish. All right, let's keep moving. Usually if there's some little peacock around, there's more than one. So we're gonna keep working this little bit here. He ate it right at the bank, right before I pulled it out of the water. Oh, all sorts of tangled up, guys. Pretty sure I had a bite. This rod is so flimsy that it's difficult to drive a hook into some of these fish. So I don't know if I'm hitting weeds or if I'm getting bites, but I think that was a bite. I do like the action on these little soft plastics though. Ooh, guys, the peacock chased it in. Don't know if it's gonna eat it or not, but it chased it in. There's two in here still from earlier. They're still hanging out. Doop. Oh, got him. Oh my gosh, on the little rod. He is taking me for a run. Micro. Come on, little guy. There we go. Guys, micro peacock bass on the ultralight. Look at that, right in the top. Beautiful fish. Alright guys, I'm getting some micro peacock bass, but it's better than nothing. So I've seen a few bigger fish, but haven't been able to catch any, so I'll entertain myself with these little guys in the meantime. The water clarity here is amazing. Super easy to spot these fish. All right, there's a second one down here, which I still might be able to get if he's interested. I don't think it's the same one that I just caught. Just think they're just sitting in these pockets waiting to ambush something. Like my bait. Oh, got him! I got him! Oh, just like that. Oh. Alright, that wasn't bad. Oh. Got a battle scar from earlier, but on little Z-Man. Microfishing is a great way to get around and have some fun. You don't got to catch anything really big to have a good time. I think everyone's microfished at least once upon a time. Using some little gear, catching some decent fish. And they don't have to be tiny fish. Like, you can microfish for, you know, good sized fish. It's a blast, but it doesn't hurt to play with some dinks once in a while. Let's keep moving. Alrighty, I think we're about to move spots. New park. Alrighty, gang, we are at another park. Still in the same county, but this one's got a lot of vegetation off the dock, so don't think I'll be fishing here. But we're gonna check out the water here and then maybe fish a canal around the corner. But it does look super fishy here for largemouth, especially. I mean, look at this, guys. Oh, there's a peacock bass right there. There is a little canal here on the side of this park, and it looks super fishy. So we are gonna hop over there and see if I can catch anything. Yeah, it looks fishy. Just gotta get on the other side of this fence. I am literally light jogging because I saw some peacock bass on the other side. Perfect. All right, guys. I think those peacock bass I saw are just in front of us. Ooh. Oh. Not what I was looking for, but these guys can be some fun, especially when they get a little bigger. These are mine cichlids, and they can be a blast. They can be a blast when they get bigger. Whew. Keep walking down. I'd love to see that oh, there's the peacock bass, guys. There's a big peacock bass. There's two right down here. Oh, guys, he wanted it. These he wanted it bad. And these aren't like small peacock bass. See if he'll eat it still. Oh, guys, he ate it. It's literally falling off my hook, but he might eat it again. Got him. Oh, I got him. Oh, going really light. Really light. The other one is on it too. Oh, I got him. Sweet. Oh, on the ultralight, guys. That's a nice peacock bass. Oh. All right, guys. On the ultralight, a nice peacock bass on this little finesse jig. Man, that's not bad. On the ultralight. Oh, what a fight. Let's get a release, guys. This other peacock bass is hanging out right here too. So I'm hoping I'll be able to catch another one. Sweet. I see the other one now. I don't know if he'll eat too. Oh, guys, did you see him? Oh, guys. The other one that's with him was right on his tail. Let's see if I can get it right here. Come on, we're just gonna bring it right over the shelf, okay? Drag set. You can see him, he's agitated. Right here, guys, right here. 1, 2, 3. Oh! He's acting like he didn't see it that time. I think he did. I think he saw it. Oh, guys, I thought he was gonna eat it. Guys, we were just walking this canal, looking for fish on the edge. I can also look on the far side, see if there's anybody over there. Ooh, there goes a nice peacock. See if he's still around. All right, culvert, great spot for fish. There should be something in here. See an iguana. Iguana here. Don't jump in and ruin the fishing spot, bud. Don't do it. Don't you do it. Doop, 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 doop. Oh, there he goes. The iguana. There's got to be another peacock up here. Right in this little cove. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, guys. I can see one. I don't have a tail, but I don't think that's gonna matter. You're shitting me, guys. Laid on the ground to not ruin this next cast. So I'm gonna take my time and land this right on these suckers so I can get one. I don't know if you guys can even see this. I'm like kneeling on the bank. Oh, got it off. There's a whole bunch in there. Oh, there's a little bit bigger one. I'll take him. Come on, dudes. Anybody. I'll take a little ass guy, I guess. Just hanging out here. What is happening? Well, I could not get these peacock to eat, so one for Team Peacock. But I am out of here. I fished a few parks today. I caught a few peacock bass microfishing, and even the snakehead earlier, which was a nice little addition, but I'm on my way out of here now, so I gotta grab my travel partner and hit the road going back to West Coast Florida. But thanks for staying tuned, everybody. Ramsey Fisher here. Let me know what you guys want to see next. I love doing some microfishing, so if this is something that interests you guys, I don't mind doing it. So give me a shout, leave a like, a comment, subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll just keep bringing you content. Catch you later.